Hello, my name is Nadia Shafika binti Muhammad Faisal. Today I act as a banker.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Farhanin binti Muhammad Yusof and I am one of the banker that will be advising the company regarding the loan application.
Hi, my name is Nur Natasha binti Azmi.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zulfadili Azim.
My name is Farah Ayusha binti Kamaruzzaman. Okay, let's move on to our background company. Nibel 19 Home Construction Sdn Bhd has been involved in construction industry for several years that based in Malaysia. We focus on creating and building new home constructions with cheaper and quality. Start with combination of team builder with a combination 50 years in the construction industries. Before this, our team members have all had their own business and had been successful in bringing the revenue, but after that, all mismanaged their business to the point of bankruptcy. And we have been converted curtain area in Penang, which in first floor 66 well quail at Georgetown, Penang. We Nibel 19 Home Construction Sdn Bhd are home design and home constructions building design.
We tell you about our company objective. Our objective have three. Firstly, to ensure customer certification by delivering construction work to the highest standard in the cost-effective and timely manner. To provide forward-looking construction solution to meet our client requirement and needs. 3. To deliver quality and productive by consistently raising our capability and professionalism.
Benefit for home buyers sustain. When the home buyer buy a new home from Nibel 19 Home Construction Sdn Bhd, they will enjoy three best benefits that our company provide. First, affordable price. Our company strives to maintain an affordable price to our customer with offer quality home from 130,000 to 160,000 ringgit price rate. This price include the kitchen, cabinet and auto gate. Even though our design is modern design and costly, but we do our best to cut a few costs and pass the saving on to home buyer. Second, higher quality. Our company provide a higher quality standard filter to the home buyer. The quality of the new home include toilet and room are cleaned. The floor are hand scrubbed and the window are washed. So the home buyer can unpack their thing and enjoy the new home immediately. We believe the quality product will earn a quality profit. Third is home warranty to protect the asset. It is common practice for the new construction home to provide a warranty to protect a home buyer for several issues that will arise with the property. Home buyer usually will be granted a 1-year warranty by Nibel 19 Home Construction Sdn Bhd. For example, if water leaking issue happen after 2 months buying the home, the cost to fit it will be fully borne by our company. Risk management. First is contractor equipment insurance. It is an insurance policy to protect equipment such it is not generally subject to venue register from dangers such as fire, thief, and flood. It is include equipment damage that occur either on the construction site, during transportation, or on the contractor yard. For car, truck, and other equipment that have vice register, It is not included in this insurance because they are covered under other liability policy. Second is worker compensation insurance. This insurance is instead to provide the benefits required by law to an employee who is injured or killed while working. This type of insurance will protect the worker who are injured at work by covering medical and hospital costs as well as their wage during their absence. According to Workmen's Compensation Act 1952, the worker will be exempt from direct liability for claim of an injured worker, but they must legally be obliged to maintain compulsory worker compensation insurance for their employees. Third is construction insurance. In the construction sector, project owner and the contractor are continuously look for methods to reduce risk on the site. The way project owner can manage the risk is by providing a certain type of insurance, such as general liability insurance to the contractors. Insurance is very important because it protects them to curtail unfortunate events that can happen during working. Besides, by purchasing insurance, it can insure the losses that may occur the curtain unfortunate events. For instance, if one of the equipment or machine is broken, this may result in additional unplanned costs for contractor. So, if they have insurance, it can cover the loss. We start a new business in October 2001. By the way, to make loan and the amount is 100,000 ringgit, and also to start a new business and to hire business manager with a strong track record. The advantage of our company get are our existing in the sector provide us with experienced staff, while our development team provide the required control to ensure compliance with standard and requirements. Our proven team and solid experience help us deliver projects of outstanding quality. Also, our standard methods are constantly reviewed to intensive quality control and work performance to ensure our clients get their value of money. Our company is interested to obtain 100,000 loan in order to offset the cost of building new business that will start in October 2001. Therefore, our system strength and ability are never compromised. Risk management. First is contractor equipment insurance. It is an insurance policy to protect equipment such it is not generally subject to venue register from dangers such as fire, thief, and flood. It is include equipment damage that occur either on the construction site, during transportation, or on the contractor yard. For car, truck, and other equipment that have vice register, it is not included in this insurance because they are covered under other liability policy. Second is worker compensation insurance. This insurance is instead to provide the benefits required by law to an employee who is injured or killed while working. This type of insurance will protect the worker who are injured at work by covering medical and hospital costs as well as their wage during their absence. According to Workmen's Compensation Act 1952, the worker will be exempt from direct liability for claim of an injured worker, but they must legally be obliged to maintain compulsory worker compensation insurance for their employees. Third is construction insurance. In the construction sector, project owner and the contractor are continuously look for methods to reduce risk on the site. The way project owner can manage the risk is by providing a certain type of insurance, such as general liability insurance to the contractors. Insurance is very important because it protects them to curtail unfortunate events that can happen during working. Besides, by purchasing insurance, it can insure the losses that may occur the curtain unfortunate events. For instance, if one of the equipment or machine is broken, this may result in additional unplanned costs for contractor. So, if they have insurance, it can cover the loss.
Our vision is to be primarily construction management company by achieving ordinary result for our customer through maximum efficiency. And our mission is we are committed to providing excellent. We take pride in our knowledge and expertise seriously among our employees and partner, as our mission is to provide the very best service to our client and high level of construction expertise and quality project. For the strategy marketing, firstly, location. We are always find the strategic location for our marketing strategy, such as our company located at Georgetown, Penang. The city is very grounding and surrounding with shopping mall, tourist place and manufacturing area. Second, billboard advertising. The strategy is must very business, and our company choose to use a billboard advertising because it is simple, relative cost efficient, and can be seen by customer every time. Third, rebate and discount. This strategy is common use to our company for the new house. Ada a rebate and discount to the customer buyer will definitely increase the member of house buyer. Promotion strategy is the including social media advertising and customer service. Marketing strategy go easily when employee social media such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Because this is because they are highly view based and easy for customer want to see what kind of home that our company offer. For marketing plan, we have a design service which is provide interior design, architectural design, structure design, electrical and plumbing design and rivet architecture. Second, construction service, which is we provide material, equipment and manpower. The material and the equipment such as woodwork, cabinet, door, window and many more. Manpower is including electrical work, metal work and construction work that have technical expertise in construction field. Third, consultancy, which is an experienced professional and provide expert advice in construction field. For the financial plan, current asset we got 100k for the inventory, and for the non-current asset we got a property, plant and equipment. For liability is 350k which is loan, and equity 50k which is we bring our transportation for the company.
We start a new business in October 2001. By the way, to make loan and the amount is 100,000 ringgit, and also to start a new business and to hire business manager with a strong track record.
The firm must have the character to make a loan because lender wants to know that the borrower and a guarantor are trustworthy. In addition, the lender must be certified that the applicant has the necessary backgrounds, education industry expertise to run the firm successfully. Lender have a strong reason to access your character, and that reason is simple can say they want to know if you will repay them. A specific level of management of ownership expertise may be required by lending institution. They will also inquire about your qualifications and whether you have a criminal past or not. A lender will look at the personal credit of all borrower and guarantor involved. The loans in the past is the best predictor of the future. It's essential to have a good business and a personal credit. Before phoning your lender, check both reports first because if there are any delinquency, be prepared to explain. Low credit rating may allow the lender to make an exemption. To determine a person's character lender, look at the following: is work experience, to confirm consistent income, reference, past interaction with lender, and credit history. Lender will be able to see your credit report and credit score if you have a good credit history. These information tells them how long you have been in company, whether you have had any bankruptcy, and if you pay your bills on time or not. Credit score range from 300 to 8500, and the highest you score, the more likely you are to get approved. Credit score are used by lender to determine lending rates and term. You may boost your credit score to enhance your character. To improve your chance of getting approved for a loans, do this before you apply. Also understand your credit report. If there are any issue or error on your report, make sure to get it fixed as soon as possible.
Company Nimble 19 must persuade the lender to grant an 100,000 loan with 5-year loan term to this company. Not only does company need to know how to put money into the business, but it also has to know what the company's flaws are and must be responsible since the company is on the verge of going bankrupt. A Nimble 19 company must successfully carry out its duty. This might persuade the banker that company is prepared to take a risk in order to grow his business again. If Nimble 19 company wish to add asset to its business, it needs to make a financial investment. I want to advise about financial in this business plan. This company financial plan are not balanced since the asset is smaller than their liability. This company must to make sure the asset must be higher than liability to overcome the company from bankruptcy. This company must to make sure they manage the company very well. This capital may be categorized as money invested in the business by the Nimble 19 company. Money invested before to approaching a banker can help a company's capital and creditworthiness, allowing for more flexible loan condition. The Nimble 19 company must present detail on cash flow and the information about business strategy. The banker has previously heard Nimble's 19 company business idea. Banker can assist the company with what the Nimble's 19 company needed previously. I will tell the best financial plan that your company needed. First is plan for success. A written plan for financial strategy will increase a successful project. The financial strategy must be detailed. Second, your company must set a business budget. Must provide the tool to manage your home construction company with discipline and financial wisdom. Set a business budget for your mortgage and a firm budget for your home construction company. Speak with a lender to determine your financial option. A good loan officer can help you with your mortgage and help to ensure your home construction budget makes sense. Third is keep pace. Your home construction company and mortgage budget has assumed a specific period for home construction. Keep your project on track. Must to make sure your company must to make sure your customer will pay the debt. It will reduce the liability.
For capacity, based on the financial plan that the company provide to us, it was seen that the liability of the company is higher than the income itself. Many bankers like an applicant DTI ratio to be around 35% or lower, but the company's DTI ratio is 100%, so it will be hard for the company to get their loan application approved, as we think it will be hard for the company to pay off their debt. As a banker, I would like to advise the company to increase their revenue and expecting profit. This is because by increasing the company's profit, the company can pay more of their existing debt. In addition, the company can also postpone large purchase for a while so that the company will use less credit. This way, the company can finance less credit purchases, which can help keep their DTI ratio low.
Next is I would like to present about a collateral, which is one of the 5C of credit management. Collateral can help a borrower to obtain the credits. It gives the lender peace of mind that in the event of the borrower's default, the lender can get something in return by repossessing the collateral. For example, they are secured by car and mortgage and secured by house. For this reason, secure loan are sometimes referred as secure debt. Generally, their issuance is considered less risky by lender. As a result, loans that are backed by some type of collateral are often offered at lower risk and better terms than other forms of unsecured funding. A banker will consider the value of the business asset and the personal assets of the guarantee as a secondary source of repayment. Collateral is an important consideration, but its significance varies depending on the type of loans. A banker will be able to explain the type of collateral needed for your loan. Collateral is the assets you pledge to support your loan. Based on company business plans, one of the assets should be as a collateral, and the building is one of the assets that can be as a collateral for the amounts loan that amount around 100,000 because it is worth if they fail pay the loans. In addition, equipment also can be as a collateral. Collateral serve as a backup in the case the borrower fail to pay back the loan, and also be sure to be comfortable securing a loans with a blanket line of a personal guarantee. Business debtor might also additionally use account receivable to stable a mortgage, while men's or women's borrower regularly pledge saving, a vehicle, or a domestic as a collateral. Application for a secure mortgage are regarded upon greater favorably than the one for an insecure mortgage due to the fact the lender can gather the asset have to the borrower prevents making mortgage payments. Bank trigger collateral quantitatively with the aid of using its cards and qualitatively with the aid of using its perceived ease of liquidation. These additives that make up a credit score evolution exist the financial institutions recognize the proprietor and the commercial enterprise and decides credit score worthiness. So, if the company want to make a loan from bank, I think he should to make one of her asset as a collateral.
Next is condition. For condition, the company should plan on how the income will be used according to the current economic condition and trends. And the company should also estimate the future for the construction sector in order to continue the business and for them to be prepared for any challenges. The most important aspects of these situations are interest rates, quantity of principals, and amortization. Besides that, by giving in-depth facts on current revenue and liabilities of the company, they can persuade us, the lender, who will advise them on the company's capacity to repay the loan. And to keep the firms from going bankrupt, we should verify the company credit history. Thus, in my opinion, to strengthen the company's business, they need to come up with a strategic plan to determine how the money will be used to grow the company, acquire new construction equipment, upgrading current equipment, or employing new personnel. This will provide the company with a financial safety net while also assisting with the growth of net operational income.